Amid a raging blizzard, a desolate land lies buried under endless white. There, an elderly nomadic woman, her red scarf standing out against the storm, struggles forward through knee-deep snow. Every step is a battle against nature. Then, she stops. Her tired eyes narrow. Ahead of her, a mother wolf lies barely alive, trapped tightly in a thick green hunter's net. It whimpers, its eyes filled with a silent plea. Beside her, a small wolf cub trembles, pressing close, searching for the last bit of warmth. The old woman slowly approaches. The cub lets out a soft, wary bark. But the mother wolf lowers her head, as if surrendering, entrusting her life to a human. The old woman gently reaches out, stroking the cub to calm it. In the heart of a freezing storm, a fragile moment of trust is born. Knowing she lacks the tools, the old woman turns and rushes back toward a nearby wooden cabin. Her hurried steps fight against the growing storm. Moments later, she returns. In her hands, a pair of heavy cutting pliers and a wooden sled. Her wrinkled hands, inside thick gloves, strain to cut through each rough green strand of the net. Every cut is a spark of hope. The mother wolf and her cub lie still, as if they understand this is their final chance. At last, the net is freed. But the mother wolf is too weak. She cannot stand. The old woman bends her back, struggling to lift the heavy body onto the sled. She covers the wolf with a blanket. The cub runs beside them, never leaving. And then, through the thickening blizzard, the old woman, alone, pulls the sled back home. A race against death itself. They make it back, just as the storm reaches its peak. The wooden door is shut tight. Outside, the cold howls mercilessly. Inside, a warm orange fire glows. Two completely different worlds. The old woman gently disinfects and treats the bleeding wounds of the mother wolf. Then, she slices fresh meat and vegetables, cooking a large pot of steaming soup. When the bowl is set down, the mother wolf and her cub slowly approach, then devour it, as if reclaiming life itself. Strength begins to return. The cub starts to play. It discovers a colourful ball of yarn and joyfully pounces and chases it. The mother wolf lies near the fire, gently resting her head against the old woman, a quiet gesture of gratitude. The old woman smiles kindly, her rough hand stroking their warm fur. Night falls. The three of them lie together on a simple rug, leaning against one another, in peace within a frozen world. The next morning, the storm has passed. Bright sunlight streams through the window, welcoming a new day. The door opens. The three family members step outside. The mother wolf now stands strong and proud. The cub runs freely, playing in the snow. The old woman begins cutting large blocks of snow to build an igloo. And then something unexpected happens. The mother wolf and her cub begin to help her. Using their snouts, they push the snow blocks into place. Together, they build a home. As sunset falls, purple and pink hues stretch across the snowy land. The igloo is complete. The old woman lights a lantern, its warm yellow glow spreading into the cold air. She sits at the entrance. The two wolves lie beside her. She wraps her arms around them. The mother wolf gently licks her cheek. No words are needed. A family has been formed in the coldest place of all.